Hello, this is Ken Ehrman live at STEM Camp EDU. We're here to check out how our attendees are doing with a roller coaster challenge. Their goal is to have a marble travel along the path of a roller coaster that they're building out of very few materials. Okay, so you don't have a measuring tool, but you're innovating with the index cards. Excellent. I'm looking at this slitted pieces of paper that you have here. What exactly are you using that for, if you don't mind me asking?
Showing this to the other groups before we're done, right?
This is secret.
Okay.
So we're using it to bend the paper and catch the sides here so they overlap with one another. We're going to tape them so the paper will bend a little more easily at the top of the loop.
So you were able to make a more tight of a loop. Very, very innovative.
Yes, triangles are the strongest shape.
All right, so we're using definite geometry knowledge. And what about this structure over here, exactly? If you don't mind me asking exactly what that's for.
That's our hill. As long as it's a hill, it doesn't matter how tall it is, as long as they can get up and over it. We got 8 points going then.
And so why would you want to make a smaller hill?
Conserve the potential energy there. It doesn't have to use as much of it to get over the hill. We can still have a little bit more to do our little helix around the curve.
That we've seen. We'd love to see them run a test to see if they can successfully run this loop. Let's take a look. There you have it, successful loop. How do we feel right now?
Psyched, pumped, excellent.
All right, so I'm here with Kirsten, who is one of the organizers of this project. How do you think it's going so far?
I think that it has been great. I've been walking around looking at everybody's projects and just smiling from ear to ear, and one of the ladies said, "Don't judge us." I said, "Why am I going to judge you? I think it looks awesome. It's great. Everybody's ideas are different. They're tackling this project with a different idea of what kind of points they're going for and how they're focusing on getting the most points to win the challenge. So it's been awesome."
I 100% agree. So the time is now up. They are done their roller coasters, and it's time to check in to see how their official runs go. So we're actually going to be turning it over live to Ryan Anthony, the host of the event.
Give it a shot. Yeah, go ahead. Nice. Good. So we got a really good loop, and then I would say good hill. Goes up and down. Good job, guys. Cool. And maybe Kirsten will see something that I give it a ride. All right, Keith, I like your style. Nice. It's like the water park ride where you like don't know where you are and all of a sudden you shoot out the bottom. Nicely done, guys. Nicely done. Nice. All right.
We went for the double jump.
The double jump. This could be the first here. I haven't seen the rest of them, but this could be the double jump. I'm ready. 1, 2. Oh! Nicely done. The double jump. Very cool. All right, blend with you guys. Over here. All right. Let's see. And then, nice. I like the little hop there at the end. All right, who do we do yet? Maybe a jump. Let's see. Yep. Ooh, not bad. Try one more time. Let's see if it stops at that last one. Cool. All right, nicely done. So what's gonna happen? Nicely done. So what's going to happen is Kirsten's going to tally up the points in about 5 minutes. We're going to know who wins. But in the meantime, let's talk about the thought process. Did we like it? Did we not like it? Things we could change, things to do. How many people liked it? Awesome, good. A lot of hands. Yeah.
All right, we are here with the winners from our first design challenge. Here's the winning coaster. What was your favorite part about the challenge?
Getting to make something from nothing.
And what do you think the key to your victory was?
Reading the directions.
Simplicity.
There you have it. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's bringing our event to a close, the roller coaster design challenge. There was a lot of excitement, there was a lot of creativity, and overall all of our attendees were very, very successful. This is Ken Ehrman signing off live from STEM Camp EDU.